Hey guys, so I figured I'd shoot a quick video on percent change in comparison. Apologies if someone walks in. I am at the gym right now. But yeah, so I figured I'd give you a quick example just in case it didn't resonate with you in class or you need more practice. So movie tickets in 2000 costed about $5. In 2018, they cost about $9, which are accurate numbers. I took the cents out though. So question number one, what was the difference in absolute terms? So in absolute terms, that means just what the difference is. How much did it increase or how much did it decrease by? So it was 9 and 5, right? So the difference is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the difference in absolute terms is 4. I'll bold all the answers so it's just easy to see. Now next, we often express these differences or these changes using a percentage. So what was the percent increase? And I put in parentheses relative terms because if you ever see like what is the difference in relative terms, it means percent change. All right, so for this, we need to use a formula here. So the formula is that you take the difference and then you divide it by, if I underline this, it should look like division. There you go. Difference divided by the original. You take that and then you times it by 100. It's a quick way to do that. So this is the formula. There you go. I boxed it. So I'm going to copy this again right here, and let's fill in the actual values. So the difference we already know was 4, right? The original is whatever came first in time, not even necessarily in the problem, but like in time. So the year 2000 and 2018, 2000 came first, right? So the value for 2000 was $5, so that's going to be the original on the bottom. So we have 4 over 5 times 100. So fraction bar always means division. So 4 divided by 5, 0.8. Some of you might already know that that's 80%, but some of you might not. So times it by 100 to turn it to a percentage, and you get 80%. So I'll put that right here. I'll merge these, 80%. So that means that the cost of a movie ticket has gone up by 80%. That would be like the article title. If you were to see this like clickbait article, it would be talking about movie tickets and how they increased 80% in price.